Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for checking it out today. So today I'm going to spend some time talking about the chemicals and products that I use in my lawn to be successful. So my name is Devin. I am the DIY lawn coach, and I'm located here in Western North Carolina. I have a 20,000 square foot GCI Turf type tall fescue. It is the Spreader Elite. I planted it roughly 3 seasons ago, and I could not be happier with the results. Absolutely dark green, beautiful grass. Highly recommend it. Just so you guys know, all of these products that I'm showing today are linked on my website at thediylawncoach.com. So if you find this helpful and are looking for these products, feel free to go to my website. I do get a small commission as an affiliate with GCI Turf, Amazon, and do my own. So as we get into this today, guys, if you will, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's quickly get into this. I know this looks like a lot of products, and it really is. But this is really everything that I use throughout the course of the year to help keep my lawn beautiful. Again, we have a tall fescue lawn that we're growing here in Western North Carolina that is in the a cool season lawn and a transition zone. It gets super hot and humid here. We fight bugs, we fight fungus. So, I want to give myself every advantage that I can get to help keep my grass as healthy and get it through the summer. So really for me, it all starts with my backpack sprayer. This is a Flow Zone 4-gallon battery powered backpack sprayer. This is one of the older models. This one has the dial, the setting for 1 and 2. Now they have the dial setting, which is awesome. I wish I had one of those, but I don't. So this will just have to do. But absolutely highly recommend this backpack sprayer. If you don't have one, check it out. I'll do a more in-depth video on this backpack sprayer soon. RGS and Humic 12, these are really the foundation of everything that I do outside of fertilizer. These two products I apply religiously every month. Usually Humic is 3 ounces per thousand, RGS is 6 ounces per thousand, and that just really helps the condition of my soil, softens it, gives me a beautiful dark green color, and just overall health of the soil is always important. So I also use a product called T-Nex, which is a plant growth regulator. And currently my lawn is under regulation. I usually keep it regulated until about mid-May. Once we get that first day of 90, I'll stop putting this down. But highly recommend if you have a tall fescue lawn in the South right now. Grass is growing like crazy, 3, 4, 5 inches sometimes a week. And I put this down the first application about a couple weeks ago, and at the half rate, so that I don't get a lot of bronzing, a lot of yellowing. But really, this is a key to my success. I have a lot of issues with POA in the backyard, and so this helps knock down and suppress the seed heads of the POA. POA doesn't really like this product being sprayed on it, so it doesn't necessarily kill it, but it doesn't like it, and it keeps it below the canopy of the turf. So something else, anytime I'm making a foliar application, such as a liquid fertilizer or any of my fungicides, even my T-Nex, I use Pete's Natural Adjuvant, which is really the key that has unlocked my success. I am a huge fan of this product. It's when you're applying any of your fungicides, I get 28-day control out of my fungicides, so I get to use the lower rate. Saves me money throughout the course of the year, and it just seems to coat the plant a lot better. The plant really absorbs it. You do have to lower the pH, which we'll go into that a little bit later. But if you've never heard of this natural adjuvant, highly recommend that. Okay, so moving over, This is a product called imidacloprid, which is a what I use for grub control, coming up here in May. Um, so I like a liquid. Again, I like spraying liquids. The two fungicides that I use are propiconazole and azoxystrobin, and I typically always use them in conjunction together. Again, I'll go in a little bit deeper into fungicides on another video, but for the purpose of what we're doing today, I just kind of want to show the product. So propiconazole, azoxystrobin, bulletproof. Okay. Again, I would use that with the natural adjuvant. Gives me 28 to 30 day control. And then outside of granular fertilizers, especially when it gets hot, I switch over to liquid fertilizers. This is a product from GCI Turf. They used to call it Cal Tide. Now it just says Cal 101. And this is another product that really helped me get through the year last year. Um, just kind of maintain the color. The grass really likes it, especially when it turns hot. I switch off of granular fertilizers back to liquids. Uh, so that's about it. I just wanted to take a second and show you guys some of the products that I use to be successful. Again, check them out on my website. Appreciate you joining me today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down there below. If there's a specific product that you want me to do a video on, I'll go a little bit deeper on that. I would certainly be welcome to do that. Hit that subscribe button, and thank you for joining me today and checking out the video. And I can't wait to see you guys in the lawn.